Hi guys, I'm Kenine Crooner if you're Austin there, and there's something wrong with this one. Look at what happened. His speaker blew out. I tried fixing him, and the wire came out of the circuit board, and I don't know how to fix it. I'm gonna fix this sometime. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this sometime. Yeah, I think his speaker blew out. Yep, this is the puppy Precious. This one's made by Dandy. He turns his head and he nods while he barks to song. And it has his little Christmas tree that this one's holding. Yeah, I think his speaker blew out. That's what's the problem. His speaker blew out. So goodbye and have a great day.